Hello and welcome to St. Joseph Degree College. On popular demand from students, I am going to explain one more problem from BEP. This time, two-year information problem. Let's take problem number 32. And this is going to be very important from examination point of view also. So, please watch it carefully. The sales turnover and profit of a company during 2 years was as follows. Sales profit 2 year information 1991 1992 1,50,000 1,70,000 is sale for 2 years, and for 2 years profit 20 and 25,000. You are required to calculate PV ratio, BEP, sales required to earn a profit 40,000, profit made when sales are 2,50,000, margin of safety at a profit 50,000, and variable cost of two different periods. This is your problem. Let's see how I solve it. In case of such type of two-year informative problems, always start your solution with calculation of PV ratio. But the formula for calculating PV ratio is different here. Change in profit by change in sales into 100. Here, change means current year profit minus previous year profit. 25,000 minus 20,000. In same way, change in sales means 1,70,000 minus 1,50,000. Current year minus previous year into 100. That is 5,000, and difference of sales is 20,000 into 100. That going to be 25%. It is your PV ratio. Now prepare income statement. This is the easiest way I am explaining you. Take sales. Sales is 1,50,000 for 1991 and 1,70,000 for 1992. Now variable cost we don't know. Variable cost. But contribution we know. Contribution is 25%. Actually your PV ratio is your contribution only. So 25% of 1,50,000 and 1,70,000. It is 37,500 for 91 and 42,500 for 1992. Now variable cost. Variable cost is very simple. Difference. Sales minus contribution. It is 1,12,500 and 1,27,500. Now fixed cost. Again fixed cost we don't know, but profit we know. It is already mentioned in problem. 20,000 and 25,000. And difference, contribution minus profit, is equal to 17,500. Here also 17,500. If your fixed cost is same for both of the year, it means you are going on right path and you are solving your problem in correct direction. 17,500 for both of the period, because fixed cost will always remain constant. Now let's calculate the information being asked one by one. First of all, PV ratio. PV ratio already calculated, it is 25%. Second one is BEP. Very simple. Fixed cost by PV ratio. Our fixed cost is 17,500 and 25%. That will come to 17,500 divided by 25%. 70,000. Next thing is sales required to earn a profit of 40,000. For that we have to use this formula. Sales we don't know, we are supposed to calculate it. Fixed cost we know 17,500. Profit it is mentioned, desirable profit it is 40,000, and PV ratio 25%. Let's calculate it. 2,30,000. Next point is reverse of this one. The profit made when sales are 2,50,000. We can use this formula again once again. Sales fixed cost plus profit by PV ratio. This time sales is mentioned 2,50,000. We are supposed to calculate profit. Fixed cost we know 17,500. Profit we don't know. PV ratio we know 25%. Let's cross multiply it. 17,500 plus profit is equal to 2,50,000 into 25%. 2,50,000 into 25%. 62,500. Profit 62,500 minus 17,500. So profit is your profit 45,000. Now margin of safety, that is very simple, sales minus BEP, but this time we have to follow profit by PV ratio formula because profit is already mentioned. Profit is mentioned and margin of safety is being asked to calculate. So better to go for this formula, profit by PV ratio. Profit is 50,000 already mentioned. PV ratio is 25%. That going to be 2 lakh rupee. Now last one, variable cost already have been calculated. Variable cost is equal to 1,12,500 and 1,27,500. For 1991 1,12,500 and for 1992 1,27,500. This is how to solve a long problem, 2-year informative problem. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.